Bonjour tout le monde, welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about les adverbes or the adverbs. Ready? Allons-y. First things first, what are adverbs? They are words that describe verbs, actions, things we do. Par exemple, il écrit rapidement. He writes fast. Now in this sentence, rapidement is an adverb. What is it trying to describe? It's trying to describe the action of écrire, which is to write. Il écrit rapidement. He writes quickly, fast. We're describing how the action of writing is taking place. Okay, let me give you one more example. Je vais au parc fréquemment. Je vais au parc fréquemment. Et toi, est-ce que tu vas au parc fréquemment? Do you go to parks frequently? To play or to meet someone, whatever it is. But yeah, fréquemment is our adverb frequently. Bah oui, évidemment, je suis français. Évidemment, je suis français. Evidently or obviously, I'm French. Now, this is another adverb. So, as you can see, we use adverbs to describe the verbs. They give us some more information about the action that's taking place in our sentences. Now, I'm sure you paid attention to the pattern. How do you make adverbs? Let's learn. In order to make adverbs, all you gotta do is take the feminine adjective and then add ment, ment, as a suffix. For example, curieux is our adjective, which means curious. Now, but be careful, curieux is the masculin version of this. C'est l'adjectif masculin. C'est quoi le féminin? What is the feminine? Curieuse. Alright, now that we got the feminine adjective, all you gotta do is add ment. So you gotta say curieusement. Curieusement to say curiously. Il m'a posé des questions curieusement. He asked me questions really curiously. Ok, est-ce que vous posez des questions curieusement? Ah bon? Sérieusement? Sérieusement? Seriously? So, how did it form? Sérieux is our masculine adjective. Sérieux, avec un X, as you can see right here. But the feminine version is sérieuse. For example, if you want to describe your female friend as serious, you gotta say elle est sérieuse, not elle est sérieux, parce qu'elle est elle. Voilà. Donc, elle est sérieuse. Sérieuse, now, add ment. M-E-N-T. Sérieusement. Which means seriously. Sérieusement? Ouais, sérieusement. Okay. Now, let's dive into the exceptions, which exist everywhere. Anyways, so, the exceptions to the adverbs and this rule that I just told you about, ment, or M-E-N-T at the end, of course has some exceptions. One of which is the adjectives that end in ant or ent. Take patient as an example, which means patient. Well, for that one, you don't say patientement, non, pas exactement. Vous dites patiemment. Patiemment avec deux M. So instead of even pronouncing like the T, you replace it with another M, double it, and then add D-E, N-T, patiemment. Sure. Okay, what about other adjectives? Well, let me tell you. Indépendant. Indépendant, independent. How to say independently? Indépendamment. Indépendamment, independently. The list goes on. All the adjectives that end in A-N-T or E-N-T are formed like this. I'm talking about their adverbs. Is that the only exception? Well, no. There are some other exceptions. Bon, which is good. The adverb for that, is bien. Just like in English. In English, you don't say goodly, you say well. Same thing in French. Bon, bien. Mauvais, bad. Mal, badly. Well, in English, that's regular, but not in French. Mauvais, mal. Par exemple, il explique mal. He explains badly. Or, tu parles très bien. You speak really well. That's pretty much it. That's all there is to the adverbs in French. Yes, the crowd, I think, has learned French too, but I think he's complaining. I don't know. I'm gonna talk to him. See you later, guys. À plus et au revoir. What's your problem, bro?